Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Chopper and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. And today, we're teaching you the ins and outs of another classic cocktail, Sunrises. This swanky 70s staple is the perfect tangy treat to wave goodbye to the sunsetting summer and welcome in the reds and yellows of fall. Traditionally served in a Collins glass, add your ice, tequila, and orange juice. Stir in your grenadine and garnish with an orange slice for a delicious citrusy hit. Variety is the spice of life, and while you can't go wrong with the original, there are so many ways to mix up your Sunrises. Here are just a few of our favorite takes on the Sunrise. The Hawaiian Sunrise. With a simple addition of pineapple juice, this twist gains another tart, delicious flavor. Enjoy a taste that will transport you directly to the tropics. The Jamaican Sunrise. This cocktail introduces dark rum to the mix for a warm and spicy flavor. Perfect for closing off the summer with a bang. The Sunset Beach. For another beach mainstay, this cocktail is for you. The addition of raspberry liqueur and cranberry juice makes for a dangerously smooth flavor. The Sunrise's forgiving and modular recipe makes it perfect for experimentation. Try fun twists such as blueberry pomegranate, raspberry peach, and green tea. What kind of Sunrises can you come up with? Share your creations in the comments below. Cheers!